I'm just gonna come out and say it. Take Profit Trader might actually replace Apex for a lot of traders. And I don't say that lightly. But after testing both, I think this one might actually have a real shot. Now, if you're thinking Apex is cheaper, it's more flexible, and way more popular, you're not wrong. But popularity doesn't mean better. So in this video, I'm gonna show you why Take Profit Trader might be a better choice depending on how you trade, how confident you are, and whether you're looking to get paid fast or just get funded cheaply. So here's how it works. Take Profit Trader has multiple account options from $25,000 to $150,000, but we're gonna compare a $50K account when we're looking at our options here. For their $50K account, it's a one-step evaluation. You need to hit a $3,000 profit target without losing more than $2,000. You also can't make more than 50% of your target in one trading day. And you have to trade your test account for at least 5 trading days before you're able to pass and move up to a pro account. No daily loss limit, no end of day trailing drawdown, and once you pass, you can withdraw profits immediately in a pro account, even on day one. That's what makes TPT so great. With Apex, it's every 8 trading days, which gets extremely frustrating when you're trying to just get enough after that 8th day and you end up losing some and you have to wait another 8 days or you get denied. It's very frustrating. It's what makes Take Profit Trader so great. Now let's talk about the cost. The normal price for a 50K evaluation is $170 a month, but with the promo code DTJ, you can get 30% off for life, and it brings it down to $119 a month every month, not just the first. And the $130 activation fee when you want to get funded, it's gone. They waive that when you use the same code, and it's a solid value, especially if you're serious about getting funded fast. When you compare this to Apex, the total cost for an evaluation and performance accounts with an 80% discount, it's $160 all in. That's $40 more than Take Profit Traders. So like I said at the beginning, this platform might be the replacement for a lot of traders. Who is this perfect for? If you're a consistent day trader, someone who takes 2 to 3 solid trades a day, you're not trying to YOLO your account by gambling, you're not trying to outsmart the rules by playing news candles, this might be for you. It's also perfect if you already know you can pass an evaluation. You're confident in your edge. You've passed one before, and now you want to just get in, get funded, and get started with withdrawing profits. It's the tortoise wins the race type approach because you're paying $120 all in with the discount, so it's important that you're confident that you can pass it in a consistent manner. But let's be real. Take Profit Trader is not going to be for everyone. If you're a scalper stacking 20 trades in a session, trying to milk every tick, you might find the 2K drawdown and 20% consistency rule a bit tight. And if you're inconsistent, if you're still having red streaks, you're breaking rules, or you just haven't locked in your edge yet, which results in multiple failed attempts, Take Profit Trader might be a little bit hard for you to master. In that case, Apex might be the smarter choice to start. The evaluations are cheaper, and you can afford to fail a few times without blowing your budget. A 50K evaluation account is only $33 when you use the code DTJ when they're doing their 80% off sale, which they're still doing right now. Also, if you're trying to run more than 5 accounts with a copier setup, Take Profit Trader isn't built for that, and resets on funded accounts, they're not cheap. Now, they give you the option to skip your test phase after you pass it when you fail your pro account by chance, whether it's a random candle or you just went on tilt one time, which is out of the norm. But it's pricey. It's over $600, and you can do that 3 times on your pro account without having to go back and to start the test account all over again. If you don't want to do that, just start a new test, pay $120, pass it, and you get your pro account $120 all in. It isn't a scale fast type of firm. It's more of a trade clean, get paid kind of firm. What I respect about TPT is that they're not trying to impress you with the gimmicks. They're just saying, prove you can trade and we'll pay you same day. That creates a healthy trading environment because your goal isn't just to pass the challenge or pass the test or let's get our eval account for the CPI news or FOMC and let's see if we can pass it in one trade. Your goal is to become consistent enough to start pulling money out of the market right away. You're rewarded for discipline, for taking your time, for protecting your drawdown, which all is important as a professional trader. And for some of you, that might be the kind of structure you actually need to take your trading to the next level. So, should you try it? Here's what I would do. Test it out with the promo code DTJ. It's going to get you 30% off for life, and it waives the activation fee. There's no limited time gimmicks. It's locked in. Or if you think Apex might be the better option, you can use the same code and get 80% off your next 50K eval account. You can give them a try. See if it fits your rhythm. If it doesn't, cool. At least you found out and you know for yourself. I hope this gives you some clarity. I'm not here to sell you on one firm or the other. I'm here to help you find a model that actually fits the way you trade. Have any questions, comments? Drop them in the comments below. If you've tried TPT, let us know what you think. Or if there's one better out there, drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video. God bless.